Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a subscription model websites on Wix in 2024. So today, we're diving into the world of subscription-based business model. With Wix, which is a versatile platform known for its user-friendly websites building tools, whether you are offering exclusive content, digital products, or subscription boxes, creating a subscription model website can be very, very good for you. So make sure to join me in this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and sign up with Wix. And of course, to do so, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you have. Here, I'm using Brave browser for you. You can use whatever you want or whatever you have. Once you open it, simply go to this URL section. Here, make sure to type wix.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, normally you'll be taken to the home screen, main screen. If you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard right away. If it's your first time, you'll find yourself basically in this page. Here, if you have an account, you can click on the top right corner login option to log in into your account. As you can see, you'll be able to log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple. And if you don't have an account, of course, you'll be able to create an account using Google or Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of filling up your information and creating or even logging in into your account. So once you logged into your account or you just created your account, you'll normally find yourself here on your site or your dashboard where you can find your sites. So the first thing that we need to do, simply as we said, we would like to create a website. So I'll just go here and click on create a new site at the top right corner. So we'll be able to choose whether it's Studio Templates, Studio Blank Canvas, or use Wix Editor, or use your own template. This is an old one. This is the new option. So it's kind of the same, but I guess the Studio Templates has some AI features if you have a plan. So choose whatever suits you. It's kind of all the same. This, of course, you'll be able just to start from blank, like from a white page, and this you'll be able to use your own templates and basically upload it into your PC, upload something or create a template, or I don't know, maybe you have a template on your account that you'll be able to use. For me here, I'll just go and start with a template. I'll just click on templates right away to start using it. Here, as you can see, you have a lot of templates to look for. You have these filters here, as you can see, browse by. You can browse by category, type, industry, feature, or style. So for me, I'm not going through all of this. Of course, for you, make sure to go through all of this and check for the templates that will suit your subscription model website. For me, as example, I'll just go here and click in Control F, and all I'll type here as example is, I don't know, let's just type what's the template I'm looking for. Or no need to even look for that. As example, I'll just choose the style and I'll choose maybe dark style. Let's say as example. And maybe as you can see, I like this style. So of course I'll be able to view it before starting to use it. As you can see, they have even a subscribe option here. And of course, you'll be able to see how does it look on the display of the PC, tablets, and even phone. So you'll be able to see it on how does it look on everyone. And as you can see, you'll be able to see how it's working, etc. If you like it, just click on edit template and you'll be able to start using it without any problems. So you'll have to wait for this page until it loads. It should not take a lot of time, maybe 10 seconds into 15. So let's just wait for the page until it's load. Then of course you'll be able to start using this Wix Studio. As you can see, you'll be able to start now personalizing or just customizing your website design however you want. You can use this Wix intuitive like drag and drop editor to customize the design of your website. You can add some branding elements such as some logos, colors, fonts to create a cohesive and visually appealing layout. You can customize the layout and content to highlight your subscription plan and value like proposition. As an example, for this, you have like coming soon here. If we choose this, of course, you'll be able to delete this example. If you didn't like it, you'll be able to delete it and add other things like add an image, title, paragraph, button, container, video as an example. You'll be able to add a lot of stuff like gallery, menu, repeater. You have here a lot of sections you can see that you can add like about me page, as an example, some wireframes, some layout tools, some buttons. As you can see, a lot of things that you can add. Your socials, maybe, as an example. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can add. But as we said, we would like to add like a subscription model website. So here you would like, of course, to add whatever you want on your subscription model website. You'll be able to add to your social media, maybe as an example, a form, some contact form of some kind, example, so that people will be able to contact you or something like that. Newsletter, you can even create your own from the beginning. If you click here, you'll be able to edit it however you want. You can add whatever you want in your form, like as example, from first name, last name, emails. You can see contact field, the buttons, in general fields, date fields, transaction fields, and even some layout elements. So you'll be able to add everything about it. So of course, once you make it, just click on preview and see the submission, how it's going to be submitted. Of course, let me just go and make like a small one, like a first name, email, as an example, and add a submit button, as simple as that. And of course, you can play with the settings of that, like make it as required. You can add description. Of course, you can limit the characters of it. Emails could be the same, like as example, required field, etc. Here you can preview and see how it does look like an example. So I'll just go here, type something like that. It's all random, and then click on submit as example and see if it's all working. Here you can even see the submissions, of course, like how you're going to see the submissions and even spam and trash. You'll be able to see everything. If you like it, of course, you can click on save and use it if you want to, like just as things to add. Of course, if you don't like it, you'll be able to remove it. Other than that, as you can see, you'll be able to play, add some layers, remove them, add some page, some global sections, change the headings or fonts. In this app manager, as example, will be able to give you a lot of things. You can add some donations, example, buttons, some store, as example, some booking options, blog options. You can even go in here to custom apps and look for some apps, example, or just look on the app markets. As you can see, they have a lot of apps. So, example, if you have some subscription app that will help you, like an example, in your mind, you can simply look for it as an example. So if you have some pricing plans, maybe you'll be able to add them as example. So the pricing will be something like that on your website. You can add it to your site as example simply by clicking on add to site. And as you can see, it will be added simply and you'll be able to start using it without any problems. Like it's very, very simple. Like you'll have to familiarize yourself with the website or this built-in tools and you'll be able to start using it without any problems. Of course, once you finish like everything, once you offer everything that you have and add the things that you have, like example, let's say you added those pricing plans, etc. Of course, you'll be able to change the price and everything. As example, click on manage plans and you'll be able to manage everything about it as example. So click on start now and start changing whatever you want. Make sure to preview and test everything is working as example. So what's people if they click in here, what's if they click in here, as example, if they click in here. Of course, make sure to check for mobile, for desktop, for tablets, for everyone. If you are satisfied with everything, make sure to go and click on publish now to publish your site to the public. As you can see here, you can use the free domain that Wix gives you. You can just customize the last option here, or you can connect your own custom domain to, of course, or even buy one from them and start publishing your website there. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.